You've tried guided meditations, calming music, maybe even white noise. But what if the most potent stress buster has been whispering to you all along? Imagine that the sound of ocean waves, a gentle rainfall, or the song of a bird could do more for your mind than hours of digital wellness apps. This isn't just background noise. It's an ancient and natural path to deep relaxation. Today, we'll explore the calming power of nature's sounds and how they can melt away stress and invite profound serenity. Modern life surrounds us with noise, traffic, electronics, notifications, constant chatter. Our nervous systems were never designed for this endless hum, and slowly it takes its toll. Rising stress, disrupted sleep, and a mind that struggles to switch off. Artificial noise overstimulates the brain, keeping it in fight or flight mode. But there's an antidote: the untouched symphony of nature. Gentle streams, rustling leaves, or distant thunder have been shown to lower blood pressure, slow the heart rate, and give the brain permission to rest. In the silence between the chaos, nature's sounds offer us a cure. Why do bird songs and ocean waves calm us so deeply? Modern neuroscience reveals that certain frequencies in nature sync with our brain waves, guiding us into relaxed states. Birdsong can gently awaken attention without stress. Ocean waves mirror the rhythm of slow, deep breathing. Rain creates a steady, predictable soundscape that comforts the nervous system. Ancient wisdom always knew this. Tribes, monks, and healers have long turned to nature's sounds for healing. Now science confirms it. These sounds are medicine for the modern mind. So how do we harness this power for ourselves? Start by choosing the right natural soundscape for your need. Forest birds and leaves rustling for focus. Gentle rain or river streams for sleep. Ocean waves for calming anxiety. The key is not just listening, but setting the scene. Dim the lights. Sit or lie comfortably. Close your eyes and allow the sounds to wash over you. Try adding these soundscapes into your daily routine. 15 minutes before bed, during breaks at work, or even while meditating. The results can be profound. Listening to nature is more than pressing play on an app. To truly feel the benefits, engage actively. Notice the textures, the layers of birds, wind, and distant echoes. Mindfully breathe with the rhythm of the sound. Let your body synchronize with the pulse of the rain or the waves. This combination of mindful awareness with natural audio reduces mental clutter, increases focus, and reconnects you to something larger than yourself. It's not just hearing, it's immersion. When combined with calming visuals, the power is magnified, creating a sanctuary for the mind. The benefits of consistent exposure to nature sounds extend far beyond a single session. Over time, they build resilience against stress, promote better sleep, and create a deeper sense of emotional balance. You can design your own sanctuary, a playlist of rain, ocean, or forest sounds that you return to daily. Or better yet, step outside, walk barefoot in the grass, sit by a river, and let the real sounds embrace you. Nature is always there waiting, and every moment you spend listening is a step back toward balance. We often chase complex solutions to stress, but sometimes the simplest remedies are the most powerful. Nature has been whispering the cure to us all along, through wind, rain, and birdsong. So tonight, instead of endless scrolling or artificial noise, close your eyes, press play on the sound of nature, and let your mind drift. Reconnect, recharge, heal. And remember, subscribe to 15-Minute Secrets for more timeless discoveries that can transform your well-being in just minutes a day.